Contractor General to probe controversial $600 million debushing program. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, JPS wants another rate hike.
Police, soldiers and election day workers to vote tomorrow. The EOJ says it's ready.
When will it end? Heavy rains again causing havoc for residents in the east.
Opposition leader expresses regret over controversial comments, but the JLP's oddly sure thinks about the issue.
And in the business news, it's official. Chinese company Gisco takes control of Alpart.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think the electronic tagging of some inmates would be an effective strategy to reduce the country's prison population?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.